For this operation, get hold of the Cabin HEPA Plus cabin filter that you can find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Open the passenger door for easy access. Using a Torx T20 wrench, unscrew the screw that holds the cover. The screw is difficult to access. We recommend using your smartphone camera as a mirror so you can see it more easily. Finish unscrewing by hand. Then remove the cover. Take the outer extremity of the cabin filter and remove it.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Before putting in the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white one are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. There is now a new generation of filters on the market. Perflux has developed Cabin HEPA Plus cabin filters, which filter out virus-sized particles and offer 50 times the protection of traditional cabin filters. The choice is yours. Take the new filter. Pay careful attention to the direction of the filter to properly position the airflow arrows. The arrows must point towards the back of the vehicle. Put the filter back in place. Take your time. It is a long and tedious process. Put the cover back on. Then screw the screw back in. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.